What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna landscape small little project. So right here on the back from the gate, we're gonna put new side. We're gonna remove this old side. As you can see, he's already starting here from where he's at all the way across. Here comes just like that. From here up all this section, it's gonna be new side, same side as you see right here, gonna be over here. And on this section right here, we're gonna do a step stone, put some stones, 4 steps. We're gonna remove the brick. You can see there's no side. We're gonna remove all this, put new side, and step stones that can go here, there, here, all the way up to here. All right, so let's go to the back. And it's gonna be tough to get this side cutter over here. And right here, new side. Right there, new side. All the way here, up to stops here. And from here we pick it up, go up. All this needs gonna be new side. All that little stripe gonna be new side. And gonna be the same grass, like I said. Gonna be the Royal Zoysia. So yeah. And we had the side cutter, the one we got there. All right, let's do it. Alright, we are done. Clean that and all that. So we gotta go get the grass. I mean, not the grass, we gotta get the soil now. Alright. Alright, we are at the landfill, guys. This is what we had to unload, all the grass and dirt. that's it, man. We gotta go pick up the sand, the topsoil, and go. It's early in the morning, like 7:30. Man, it's frost this morning. Sun's coming up. Let's crank the truck. It is frost. You can see the roof. Turn the heat on. Windshield. Yeah, we gotta go back and put the finish the side today. Look at that, it's frozen again. Alright. Alright, we are finally have the side, guys. 2 pallets of side. And the trailer is holding really nice. Plus we have the rocks. Look at these rocks. These things are thick, man. We're gonna do a little stepstone. As I showed you before, grass looks good. Let's go in over there. This is the final look, guys. That looks amazing. I love the way we set that rocks. Looks really nice, guys. And that's it. The grass is going dormant. That's what we have. That's what it looks like that. You saw this morning it was froze. We have more frost this morning. It's cold in the 20s, 29, 28. Right here is done. Oh, this little section done. Oh, I'm here. Done, guys. That's it. Took exactly 2 pallets plus the rocks. I like the main thing that I like is the rocks. Looks really nice. So there you have it, guys. Finally, I just got home. I glad we finished the little project, little landscape job. I love the way that stepstones look at the end. That was one of my favorite designs that I like. So this job, it took a little longer than I wanted to. I was aiming for a day, full day and a couple more hours, but it just took a little longer. And the thing is why, because the back going back and forth on loading things from that trailer to take it to the back, it was just a longer ways, and it just takes more time, guys. So it is a learning experience, and anyway, you learn as you go, and that's a good thing. And we always learning. It's always something new, guys. It's always taking notes, writing things down, and taking this to the next level. So I enjoy doing this type of works. It's really great. I'm happy, and the main thing, the owner's happy, so that's great. And anything you guys think, tell me. See, how do you do your landscape work? Do you do SAS? What do you do? Tell me down below. Drop me some comments, okay? And don't want to make this video too long, but I'm loading up some things in here. I just load up some the machine going mowing. We're going mowing tomorrow, so we don't have that much mowing to do. We have like around 5 houses to do, and we'll take care of that. We gotta do some mulching, so next video will be about mulching. Alright, so anyway, any questions you have, let me know. Tell me what you think. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Alright, later, man.